What?
I have the key, right?
No, I had the key. I'm gonna leave your ass up and say I'm going to the bathroom.
Ain't nobody else gonna love me like you. Not entertaining thoughts of the mysteries, all the fairy tales. Wanna look good, craving the attention. We don't know when to stop, so we keep going till we drop. Yeah, let me tell you about a little thing that I know of. It can give you everything you need. Oh, just look up. Ain't nobody else gonna love me like you.
Alright, guys, so we go into a restaurant. My friend work here. I went to college with him, and we about to get some drinks and stuff. And I'm just gonna pretend like I don't have my card. I can't pay for it, and see how my wife react. You know, I'm gonna tell him. I already told him that's what I want to do. So I'm gonna just go for it. You know, see how it turns out. See if I can get my wife, because she's always pranking me. Alright, guys, watch out for it. And next week I'm coming with a banger, guys. A banger. Alright? So just like, share, and subscribe before you even watch this video. You see me? Because I'll be a banger me I come with, you know. Banger. So just like, share, and subscribe. Alright, more what?
We don't have a.
Now go pay for it.
I'm not gonna go pay. For what? No.
All your drink. I spent like $60, whatever you spent.
You said you was taking me out.
I got you popcorn.
This is free, stupid.
Well, I got you popcorn. Never
You
said
didn't
I
get me
had
popcorn
money.
for free.
I didn't have any money.
What?
I never had any money.
Well, how you gonna ask me to go out?
Because it's not about the money, it's about what's in your heart. And I got you popcorn. And you got all these drinks and you just chugging drinks. You see that video you just did? Chugging it. A whole bottle of thing. I have no money though. So
So you don't invite people out, but you don't.
you are not
Don't-
anybody. You're just
don't
you're,
invite-
you're more
don't
than
invite people out.
you're not just people. You're more than that. You're my wife. So we can just do things without money. Money don't have to be involved.
But when you go to a
It's
restaurant,
not like I'm trying to impress you.
But when you go to a restaurant, you have to have money.
I'm not trying to impress you.
What you mean I'm trying to impress you?
With my what?
Okay,
I already
and
impressed you with my. Yeah.
that's not funny. How you gonna ask me to come out if you're not gonna have money?
Alright, yes. 50. And then we
How
go.
you know I have my card?
And then I'll
How you know I have my
I'll
wallet?
transfer.
You asked me to come out.
I don't have my wallet. My wallet, I left my wallet in my hotel.
So you wasn't thinking?
No, I thought you got me covered. I got you covered
No.
all the time.
If you asked me to come out, that means you got me covered.
No, you mentioned this. You said we're going out on Saturday night, and I'm like, you say we're going out on Saturday night, and I'm like, okay, let's go out.
Yeah, but where I wanted to go, you're like, no, I have somewhere better we can go.
That not mean nothing.
Yeah,
I just
but-
changed the location, but
you,
that not mean say how you now going to spend. You already did plan for spend.
No, I plan to have dancing and fun.
Well, we were dancing to cowboy songs.
I said fun. That wasn't fun.
Cowboy song.
Well, that's what happened when you got alcohol in you. That wasn't fun.
And then you say everybody on here have fun. I'm gonna tell you this is lame. I told you it was lame. You were listening.
No, you wasn't listening because you
Yeah,
don't
it's
ask.
you
Don't
were
shush me.
you were gonna do. Yeah, but jump the fence. You're going in the car. I'm gonna walk because by you there about it. You're not me. So nobody knows.
Who got a happy birthday? How you know they don't got camera there? My fat ass go
Yeah, I said them, you tell me, say them make sound.
I'm not about to do that. I'm about to
Yeah,
catch
they want
you.
to do that.
Yeah, about to catch you.
You'll be at least you don't go on in.
What?
I believe it.
You know what?
I have the key, right?
No, I had to pee. Now I'm gonna leave your ass up and say I'm going to the bathroom. It's an emergency. I'm gonna
Well, it's an emergency. I made the alarm, so you ready? Let's go.
How you gonna let us know where we going?
We ain't gotta know nothing. They might just think something happened. If not, things that we.
What?
What's happening to them? They're gonna scream fire.
Fire blaze up.
They're gonna scream fire, fire to bomb buckler, fire. I'll make them just run over the car. Ready? I plan that.
I'm thinking of it. I'm thinking about it.
What?
Let me finish my drink first. That's embarrassing.
You're telling me that you have money to pay for this. But you can't believe you pay for everything. You can't pay for this. Some drinks, pay for the drinks.
But you don't ask. My
Pay
point
for the business, man. Go home.
how you gonna go home? I got to do it.
I'm going home. I want mountain the right. So
My point is, you don't ask somebody to come out if you not gonna pay. I don't care who it is. Your friend, I'm gonna say side chick, but it's not about it there. Or your wife. You don't ask somebody to go out if you're not gonna pay.
what do you mean? Yo, it when me and my wife go.
You
If
and
me not
your
take up
wife, like I'm a
bills,
third party.
you are my wife. You're not getting my point. If me and my wife go to it, it don't matter who pay. If me not take up my car, my wife supposed to go some boom there. I have your back.
No, I don't have nothing.
You have to have
I
my
don't have
back.
nothing.
If I have my back, I know say yo, we are pay. No worry about it, my husband. Love of my life, no worry about it. Here, cash. Let it flow. Let it flow like all them say.
My
Let
point
it.
is you don't ask
It
me
is.
to.
You're gonna let it flow like all them say. Let it snow when it's Christmas. Let it flow. Pay the bill.
You don't ask somebody to
Yes.
come out if you're not gonna pay. That's my point.
Yo, this is embarrassing. Pay the bill.
Or you can have it all.
And I'm about to leave. But you hear when you say you never have your purse, but
I have my
you
purse.
say you have your purse, but I never know say you have your card. So,
I didn't grab my wallet.
then we have the purse from fancy. You want to look good?
No, I had a whole
We have
time
the
here.
purse for you.
I got my candy. My candy here.
That look like cigarette.
It does look like
Why
cigarette.
you eat so much candy stuff? Yo, here what? Why don't you give them that and tell them to
Candy cigarette.
I'm ready.
I got my master's in case someone needs it. Even though I am back here.
Oh, I'm tired. I'm sleepy.
What?
I'm leaving.
I got coming. What?
I am.
Where the fuck you go?
I'm walking back to my room.
I ain't coming.
I'm walking to my room.
You better put this.
I am walking to my room. Good luck with that.
I smashed the shirt.
I'm going to my room. It's getting cold. The fire pit is not on. I'm going to my room.
You better pay for it.
You coming?
Get up.
You coming with me?
Nigga, I ain't gonna get arrested for your ass.
Okay, you better find a way. You better sit and step.
You just say that to me. Wow. Alright, ready?
No, you better not. Stop it. Stop the foolishness.
You said to me?
Stop the foolishness, no?
That's what
I
I
feel
thought.
like you have to do that when you have to do something.
How you gonna do this?
Alright.
Hi, sir.
Let's be nice then.
I'm always nice. Alright, that's my point. You pull out your part. Let's go.
I don't have it. What do you want me to do? I mean, I have a card. Like,
No.
no.
This
I
not
have,
funny. So cut it.
I have a
No.
business card.
What the fuck that gonna be?
Call my business card.
I'm gonna turn my credit card. Stop playing. I'm about to fucking leave.
Then leave. I don't care. Leave. Leave.
Leave. Leave.
Go. 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 Yo, I got her. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, look here. It's a prank.
You're so fucking annoying. I was about to be like, I'm
I
going to the bathroom and leave your
I paid
ass.
for that a long time ago. Chill, relax.
That shit's not funny. Where'd you hide the fucking camera?
What? Near some people.
You so stupid. I was so fucking mad. I was about to just go to the bathroom, walk the fuck out and leave your ass.
And I told them too. I told the people like, hey, listen, I'm doing a prank. That's when I hide the camera. You see me? Look at my black. Jesus Christ. Father God, help. Where are you not driving? Watch it now, man. Guys, I got her.
He very rarely gets me, guys. Normally
Guys.
it's always a fail, but his ass got me.
But I got her, right? And I'm gonna
Because I didn't think you'd ever do it in public.
Listen. You have a whole heap more coming. A whole heap. And it's like a wicked.
No, I was so
Guys.
mad I was about to leave his ass in there and drive home.
Guys, if she leave me, I'm a bridging. You see me? He's my friend. I'm gonna be like, bro, I don't got no cash right now.
No, I'm gonna ride.
Remember, I'm out of state, you know? So, he ain't gonna get it. But I paid for it, guys. Paid for it.
You know?
I got her. She was getting mad. She almost act like she wanna leave me. But hey.
Because you don't ask somebody to go out if you're not gonna pay. That was my whole point.
What do you mean? So I'm going out with my wife. My wife should have my back.
No, but you don't ask
Okay,
me.
listen.
My point is, I wasn't
You-
even ready. I didn't even have my card.
But you can't go out broke.
I'm not broke. Me broke. No, I didn't have my card.
Yo, you can't go
I know
out
this after we
broke.
got here.
You got it. Wait out. You have to have your. You see in Jamaica?
I didn't bring my wallet.
Listen.
That's what I realized.
Listen, in Jamaica, we call it you get vex money. You have to have it.
You want me to vex?
Yeah, you don't have to vex, but you have to have it though. In case, so.
I had my car key.
See, my can't
I'm about to
pay,
go
you
to
have to
leave.
just pay. You see me? You gotta just pay
No.
and say, yo, my husband, I got your back. There's the money. But guys, I got her. And I'm gonna come back with a bigger and better prank. A banger. You see me? So, just like, share, and subscribe. Come on to my video. Can you just get pranked? Yeah, just like, share, and subscribe, guys.